Heavy-duty vehicles must be built to withstand the constant abuse of their life cycle, with even the smallest components making the largest difference in achieving a dependable and flexible machine. Electrical design engineers working on heavy-duty vehicles have the great responsibility of producing rugged, robust, and resilient equipment that can stand up to the world's most extreme conditions. At Panduit, we offer the widest range of products uniquely designed for our customers' toughest challenges and create them to withstand the harshest environments. Advanced electrical wire harness solutions from Panduit can help protect the integrity of our customers' heavy-duty vehicles. Every Panduit solution is tested for guaranteed interoperability and constantly evaluated for increased performance. Through significant investment in research and development, as well as participation in industry standards bodies, Panduit provides products engineered for optimum performance, quick and dependable installations, and improved workplace safety. Our combination of design engineering and manufacturing expertise means our full portfolio of solutions is broad and deep, supporting all our customers' heavy-duty vehicle needs. Employing products like cable ties and accessories, terminals, ferrules, compression and mechanical connectors and crimp tools, abrasion protection, and identification and labeling, Panduit offers our customers a one-stop shop for all wire harnessing needs for the most complex requirements and ergonomically challenging assemblies. In addition to our general wire harness solutions, Panduit offers products that specifically address the concerns of heavy-duty vehicles, including our corrugated Loom tubing clamp, heavy-duty range-taking cable ties and mount assemblies, stainless steel solutions, and permanent identification. Our consultative application engineering approach has allowed Panduit to align itself with designers of electric vehicles, placing us at the forefront of addressing the challenges associated with this new technology. As EV manufacturing requires faster development cycles and therefore blending off-the-shelf components with new innovative products, Panduit's consultative application engineering approach enables you to lead EV design. With our history of investing in research and development, Panduit is pioneering electric vehicle solutions that address challenges like EMI, high temperatures and voltage, safety concerns, design parameters for clamping pressure, and assembly ergonomics. Best practice methodologies, end-to-end support, and a comprehensive portfolio of solutions position Panduit as the leading provider of robust solutions for meeting today's heavy-duty manufacturing and vehicle maintenance needs.